Well, good morning. And some of those first shots will be going to healthcare workers. Now, while it does seem imminent that the FDA will approve emergency use of the Pfizer vaccine, it does come with some concern.
Pfizer says once it gets the go-ahead, it is ready to deliver 25 million doses of the vaccine by the end of December. The vaccine cleared a major hurdle yesterday when an advisory committee took up this question.
The question is based on the totality of scientific evidence available. Do the benefits of the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine outweigh its risks for use in individuals 16 years of age and older?
The committee voted overwhelmingly to recommend the vaccine for emergency use. In a statement, the FDA said in part this morning, quote, "The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has informed the sponsors that it will rapidly work toward finalization and issuance of emergency use authorization." It continued saying it's notified the CDC and members of Operation Warp Speed so the vaccine can be distributed as quickly as possible. Still, the vast majority of the population won't get a chance to be vaccinated until spring or summer.
While it will take many months for the vaccine to be widely available, please see with me that the finish line is in sight. We've come very far. Let's keep going and let's get everybody to the end of this marathon and get back to normal altogether.
70% is needed, medical experts say, for herd immunity and the ability to quash COVID. Yet not everyone is ready to roll up their sleeves. Recent polls show only 60% of Americans are ready to take the vaccine.
Will this vaccine prevent the most serious symptoms or the spread of the disease? What side effects or problems might occur immediately, midterm, and long term? And how long will this vaccine protection last?
Others question the long-term impact on older teenagers, expectant mothers, and if those getting the placebo and the double-blind test should get the vaccine as soon as possible. Then there are the reported side effects, headaches, fevers, and chills, and the allergic reaction seen in the United Kingdom.
I think more people than not are interested in getting this vaccine, and the job of the public health department of the government is to ensure that everyone has the adequate information.
Now, Illinois is set to get about 109,000 doses in its initial shipment, while Chicago is expected to get about 23,000. We're live. I'm Eric Runk, WGN News.